Hey, it's your favorite nurse turned entrepreneur, Alicia Dion, and I am back with another video for my travel agent friends. But before we get started, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel if you find any of the info beneficial. And if you don't mind, like the video, you're already here, so go ahead and like it. So now that we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive in, y'all. Now, if you stumbled across this video, I have to assume that either you are a travel agent or you are considering joining the industry. Whatever it is, you are in the right place at the right time, because I drop videos just like this weekly with useful tips and tricks that you can use to help navigate the industry. Now, today's video is all about free marketing that can help you to build your business. Who doesn't like free? I love free, right? I'm speaking for myself here. We all know that when most entrepreneurs actually start their business, there is little to no money left over in their budget for marketing. So I always suggest to people that maximize any free resources that you can get your hands on to help maximize your business. And one of those free resources happens to be Facebook. It's a whole metaverse out here, guys, in these streets. So many of you know how to use it. You know how to operate it. So it really should be a no-brainer to leverage this particular platform to grow your business. The only thing you really need to decide as a business owner is if you will use a Facebook business page or if you will learn to maximize a group. And I will have to tell you from experience, really there is no right or wrong answer, but there may be what I consider a best option depending on what your goals are. And in most cases, I will say utilize both so you know the limitations that you may face when using either option, okay? So there are a few things about Facebook business pages to consider. They do offer a level of credibility to businesses because when you meet people and you're in conversations, many of them always ask, hey, do you have a Facebook business page? So that will give you a level of credibility if you have that business page in place, right? It allows people who are looking for you to actually find you. But here is where I want to caution. Having a Facebook business page, guys, it's what I like to call a pay-to-play environment, meaning your posts may not generally be served to folks on Facebook. You actually have to pay for ads and boosting, things of that nature if you want to get your content seen. People who are looking for you actually have to come look for you to find you, if that actually makes sense. And again, like I said, all of your posts may not be served to your followers. On the other hand, there are Facebook groups. And here's the thing that I like about groups. You get to build a community. I actually called it a tribe of people who want what it is that you have to offer. Hint, hint, clue, clue. You also have the ability to create a sense of belonging that facilitates discussion and sharing within your group, right? So your community is contributing. You quickly build what I call the like, know, and trust factor, because here's the thing. Nobody is buying from you. Nobody is checking for you if they don't like you, know you, and trust you. So you get to build that factor within that Facebook group community. You also have increased organic reach for your targeted audience, catering to whatever niche interests or demographics that you are looking to serve. So you get a whole bunch of people who have the same idea, who are looking for the same thing in one particular group, and you get to serve the masses. Now, members also receive notifications for group activity, ensuring that they stay updated on discussion in real time, guys, because they can turn those notifications on, and anything you are serving within that group, you know it's reaching your group members. And then they can like, they can comment, they can discuss, they can add to the group as well. So there are benefits to having Facebook groups. And this is just a rudimentary breakdown of if you want a page or a group, because there are so many things you can do in your group. You can have subscriptions, guys. I go on and on and on and teach people how to do these things as well if they are in the travel space. Now, I'm going to say build both. It's a new adventure. See what it is that works for you in your business. You can actually link your business page to your group as well. So people who are coming to your page or in your group and vice versa know that, hey, I can go like both pages or follow both the group and the page. You can actually assign admin status to folks in your group as well to give them some type of responsibility so they can feel, I guess, more cohesive and like they are really a part of the community, especially if they are high level contributors within your group. It can create brand awareness by building both. The Facebook group and the Facebook page should have the same name, and you can begin to build your brand so people know how and where to find you. And also, I will say this: if you are limited on time, find an auto poster that can begin to post content on both the page and in the group, guys. So build both if you have to. Now, hopefully this information helped. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. But if you are looking to, I guess, dive into the travel space, guys, if you're looking to add travel to your existing businesses, you can go to wealthbuilderspromo.com, use the sponsor ID, Bama Travel, you see it on the screen, and get the info on how you can actually make this happen. Again, we have a team that we're building here, and we would love to have you a part of it. And again, we give you all the tools and resources to help you build a global business. This is your favorite nurse turned entrepreneur, Alicia Dion. Hopefully the information was beneficial. Send this info to somebody who you think can use it. Bye.